Before we start, I just want to talk about this sweet onions real quick because this is the biggest one I've ever seen in my life. I'll be honest with you. Focus that in real quick. Like if you compare that to even my olive oil, it's about this size already. Refocus that back. It's huge. Welcome to Inspire DIYer. My name is Max, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be making this simple beef curry stew. So I'm going to be using this organic stew beef. It's already been cubed, but if you want to use sirloin or any other beef, make sure it's good quality and try to cut it into like a 1-inch cube or something like that. I got this, it's called DJI Osmo Action. So it's actually going to be my action camera that I'm going to be using for vlogging and also like sport activities and all this stuff as well. But I'm going to use it in the kitchen as well as my secondary cam. And we're going to be cutting that with this size of onion. I would say even a fifth of this gigantic jumbo sweet onions that I'm going to be chopping up. But you want to do about half to 3/4 of a medium-sized onion. And I'm going to be using 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to dice up some ginger, probably about 3 to 4 slices, but I'm going to chop it up finely. And then using this 5 white potatoes, I'm going to peel off. I have to use this one soon anyway. And then for the spice, this is where it gets interesting, because I actually don't remember where I got this from. This is actually an Indian curry spice blend. I'm going to refocus. I honestly don't remember where I got it from, but any curry spice will do. You want to make sure that they are good quality though. And I'm going to be adding about 1 teaspoon of cloves powder. You can use the real one as well. I just only have the powder. And some nutritional yeast. And then for a bit of a spicy kick, I'm going to be adding in this cayenne pepper. Just about how much ever you like in terms of the spiciness. So let's get started with searing. Okay, so all I did so far is using this saute mode from Instant Pot. If you're doing this on a stovetop or any other pot, you just basically want to preheat it up to around a normal like a medium heat or something like that. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil. So you see how olive oil is bubbling a little bit. Turn on the fans. So I just want to break up all those chunks that were climbing up together, and to basically brown this stew a little bit. Sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Okay, let's add these into the pot. And then we're gonna go start off with about 2 teaspoons of the curry blend first. We can always make a final adjustment later, so don't worry about that. And then 1 teaspoon of clove. Some cayenne pepper. And nutritional yeast. I also added about 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast as well. And cayenne pepper is just really down to your preference. Now we're going to be adding this 1 can of coconut milk. Mix everything together, and then we're going to go right into high pressure cooking. I'm going to do about 40 minutes. So, de-stewing beef, if you sear it up ahead, and it usually gets soft and tender for after about 2 hours or so. So I think 40 minutes in Instant Pot is pretty reasonable for this. And remember that Instant Pot is a high pressure cooker, so, or pressure cooker. Anything it's basically twice or 3 times as less amount of cooking. I'm gonna let it cook like this first, and then we'll make final adjustment later. So something to take note about Instant Pot is that if you cook a beef stew in there, or any sort of stew, it doesn't really evaporate the amount of water or any of the mixtures inside. Okay, Instant Pot is finished. It came off the high pressure. Steam vented out already. Just gonna do a quick taste check. Okay, let's do some. I'm gonna add a bit of soy sauce instead. So just mix a teaspoon of cornstarch together with some water. You don't want to add cornstarch straight in because it would just clamp up and it would not be good at all. Then just throw that in and quickly stir that off. Here it is, my 1-pot curry beef stew. I'm just keeping it very simple today. Thanks for watching.